Keyboard. A keyboard is one of the primary input devices that our user input text into a computer or any other electronic machinery. It is a presented device passing of computer buttons, multiplication number symbols, later windows, including performing functions. This is the keyboard numbering key, arrow key, torch. About the keyboard design, types of keyboard. You can pause the video and take a screenshot. Now you can read and study. Types of keyboard. Flexible keyboard. This is the flexible keyboard. Number 2, ergonomic computer keyboard. Wireless keyboard. Mechanical keyboard. Virtual keyboard. Keyboard also include options. Example of virtual keyboards: Gboard and OSK. Projection keyboard. Gaming keyboard. Imitation occupies the telegraph and teleprinters, keyboards, early computers with keyboards. This very short and sweet and complete detailed keyboard. You can like this video and subscribe now.